How to improve English listening skills. Improving your English listening skills requires practice and patience. First, start by listening to English audio such as podcasts, audiobooks, or news broadcasts. These materials offer a variety of topics, so you can listen to different accents and speech patterns. Second, listen to slow-paced English recordings before moving to faster speech. This helps you get accustomed to the sounds and rhythms of the language. Third, watch TV shows or movies with subtitles. This allows you to match what you hear with the written words. Fourth, try to focus on the key ideas when listening, rather than understanding every single word. Practice listening without looking at the subtitles to improve your overall comprehension. Fifth, practice listening to English songs and repeat the lyrics to improve both listening and speaking skills. Finally, interact with native speakers as much as possible. By following these tips and practicing consistently, you will significantly improve your listening skills.